This is our 24 slots polish machine. Each time it can polish for 24 pieces full. This is the aluminum plate, and each time it can put 6 pieces of the mold here. Okay, after you put like this, and then you put it upside down. We put it here like this, and then put, this is for the 5 kilogram. And this is the 10 kilogram. And we put it here like this, and then later on we click the start. Okay, it's in the running now. And here the speed is 80 here, and also you can adjust by these settings. It can up to 100 speed, and this is for the time. The time you can adjust by yourself. This is the power, the main power. And here is the emergency. You can click for stop, and this is reset. Reset you can click every time before you start.